You're tired of not lasting long enough during sex. You consider yourself as a premature ejaculator, don't you? However, when it comes to the subject of natural ways to last longer in bed, you seem not to get the help you require. How is it that you last not more than 2 minutes during lovemaking, and hence unable to satisfy your wife or girlfriend in bed? You have probably tried several different approaches to stop the problem of premature ejaculation, but so far, not one of them has worked. Now you're wondering if there are natural ways to last longer in bed. Well, fortunately there are certain techniques to boost your staying power in bed so that you'll be able to give your woman a scorching hot sex. Instead of feeling embarrassed by your inability to last longer in bed, you can change the situation when you practice the following. Number 1. Posturing to last longer in bed. The positions you take during sex have a great role to play in how long you last in bed. There are a number of positions for optimum pleasure and endurance, however, the best are those that let you stay in passive position. For example, lie back and let your woman mount on top of you. This position puts your partner in control, and at the same time it helps to relax your pelvic muscles and hence helps you to control your arousal. Even better is the fact that she will be able to control the sensation, which will make her reach an orgasm fast. Number 2. Getting in shape. Getting your body in shape also helps to boost your staying power in bed. Fact reveals that men who work out on a regular basis generally have better fitness levels as well as better blood circulation. This is definitely a natural way to last longer in bed because it increases libido and at the same time leads to the production of more serotonin hormones, which helps to relax your mind and body. Being in good physical shape also makes you appear very sexy to your woman, and this is a great turn-on for her as well. Number 3. Take it slow. Make it a point not to begin with a bang and then reach an orgasm quick. This will definitely make you ejaculate early. Rather, you should take it slow in order to last longer and enjoy sex to its fullest. The longer you last by giving her sufficient foreplay and oral sex, the more you'll be able to give her a smoldering hot sex.